what's up guys, Marc here and welcome back to another video. So in the background here, what we're looking at is the start of a drawing that I did recently. So I've been practicing a lot of anatomy and I wanted to try and test myself almost. And this is what that is. So it's I think it was like 15 minutes in total, sped up twice, and so down to about 6 minutes. But this is not what I wanted to talk about though. While this is playing, I wanted to cover two other things that are unrelated. So the first thing has to do with free stuff. I'll get to that in a couple of seconds. And the other is about the future of the channel. Considering the weird times that we find ourselves in. But anyways, back to the first thing. Just like me, I am sure that you're also kind of stuck at home. Everybody's trying to do their part, doing their share, and staying at home, avoiding to spread the virus. And it kind of sucks. So I figured I would try to do my, albeit very tiny part, my tiny contribution to the art community by making my brushes, my daily driver brushes, available for free for the next week. Of course, I love them. I'm using one of them right now to do the sketch, and so I hope you'll like them too if you grab them. And for that, you'll find a link in the top right corner of the screen here, and of course down in the description below as usual. Now, since I figured that this probably wasn't that much, I'm also having a big sale, big discount on everything in my store to make it a little bit easier for you to pick up something if you want to keep pushing your skills while you're stuck at home and essentially, place yourself in a good position when our lives go back to normal and more work opportunities start to open up. So there you go. The same link is going to be in the top right corner of the screen. So head over to my store, grab a bunch of free stuff, and if you're interested in anything more than that, well, it's going to be significantly reduced for the next week. So yeah, I know it's not much, but I hope it helps. Now, real quick, talking about the future of the channel, amidst all this, I felt like a lot of the series that I had going on were not really, didn't really make a whole lot of sense moving forward. So, things like my Chroma Island series, I've kind of hit the brakes on those. I have by no means any intention to stop, but this was more of a project that I enjoyed, something that I was doing for me, and now I feel like there's more opportunities to do things for others, for you guys. And so I want to kind of resume doing tutorials and basically stuff that helps a little bit more directly. So yeah, this is more of a quick heads up, as to what is coming up in the future for the channel. I'll be posting one new tutorial every single week, and the first one will be tomorrow. And it is going to be about coloring line art. So how convenient. I am going to be basically coloring this line art here that I'm working on in this video. And I'll show you two different ways to do that. Make sure you check it out. Now, my other series, like, the portfolio reviews, this is also something that I'll hit the brakes on. Once again, kind of relating to, the current, strange times that we're going through. That might be completely untrue, but I think that there's not going to be a whole lot of portfolio reviews by actual studios, looking to hire more people. If anything, everybody's gonna, hit the pause button for a little bit, for a couple months at least, until this whole virus, thing kind of blows over. So yeah, instead of focusing on portfolios that I feel will be kind of irrelevant for the next, couple of months, I might be completely wrong with this though, but yeah, instead I want to make videos that are going to help your skills right now, like the things that we can do right now to improve and hopefully get ahead by the time that the world goes back to normal. But yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to talk about today. So not to say that I'm canceling all of my series, not at all. Instead, I'm just kind of shifting the focus a little bit towards learning more than entertainment. I hope you guys are staying safe, that you're doing good, and since the next couple of months is going to be dedicated to tutorials, well, if you have any ideas, any requests, please go right ahead and share them down in the comments below. That's it for this one. Make sure to tune in tomorrow for the first tutorial of many, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.